Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inventorying marketable skills and choosing 3-5 core services you can deliver reliably. Once done, set up a professional email, a one-page portfolio, and a basic LinkedIn profile so prospects can vet you quickly. Next, define clear pricing, hourly, retainer, and project flat rates, include payment terms and invoicing cadence. Explain how each price fits client needs so you can quote fast. This gets you from idea to first outreach-ready package in hours rather than weeks. Now focus on consistent client acquisition and repeatable delivery. Start sending 3 tailored outreach templates: initial pitch, short proposal, and a follow-up. Personalize each within 2 minutes per lead. Once you have responses, track prospects in a spreadsheet or simple CRM with statuses and next actions. Build a repeatable workflow: intake form, onboarding checklist, task list, and template emails. Make sure to automate scheduling and routine tasks with Zapier or similar, so you spend time on billable work, not admin. Finish projects by following a tight, repeatable delivery loop. Sign a contract, run an intake, hold a 48-hour kickoff, then execute a 7-day checklist to confirm quality. Once done, ask for testimonial and 1 referral. That fuels steady growth. To scale, package services into fixed offerings and hire subcontract help when utilization exceeds 30 hours weekly. If things go wrong, pause new work, document the issue, and present 2 corrective options to the client: 1 quick fix and 1 long-term solution, to rebuild trust fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.